Cara, what do you think? What do you think about your auntie's look? You like it?
Yes.
I'm lucky.
Yes.
Why am I lucky?
I don't know.
You don't know? I'm very lucky for real.
I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, anyway, you know, it's Sunday. I've got my family over. My mom's there in the kitchen cooking up a storm. Yes, I've got my sister, my niece and my nephews in the building. Yes. Anyway, this video I'm gonna do, I hope you guys can hear me, because you can hear the Christian music in the back. Anyhow, this video I'm going to be doing, I don't know, I'm just going to make it into 3 for 1. I'm going to do myself up, my sister up, and my niece up. Yeah, and we're going to just have some fun with it. Oh my god, my apologies guys, I thought I was recording that and I wasn't. I don't know what is wrong with me. Shit, forgive me. There you go, yes. This is my nephew, everyone. Hi. Okay. Woo. Be careful. Anyway, I'm going to move on to foundation, but before I do foundation, I'm just going to apply a little bit of Revolution Glow, liquid glow that is. Yes. This is it. This is it. Now I'm gonna get my hair did and I'm gonna come right back to you. Maybe just come up, I'm gonna see what I want, cause Fenty's slaying the shit out of this. Mind you guys, this hair is like 15 years old. It's that long. Between 10 and 15 years old. Yes. As I said before, we revamped and revitalized. These was bundles where I colored myself and my sister here. Cairo! I colored myself and my sister here. She slayed the thing.
No,
She's responsible.
It's my brother.
She's responsible for making this wig and the installation. And as you can see, girl, come out. Girl, come out on the Sunday. No. A Ufa wife this. A Ufa life. Anybody at one her?
No.
Kara, what do you think? What do you think about your auntie's look? You like it?
Yes.
I'm lucky.
Yes.
Why am I lucky?
I don't know.
You don't know? I'm very lucky for real. Me and my sister, we make the best team. Honestly. Bad and Shiki, Slay by Tay. No, get into this. Can you get into it? It's bad. I'm not even asking. I'm telling. Yes. Ow. Tay killed this. She murdered it.
We got London on the
Bam, bam, bam. Here we are, guys. Finishing look. Do you like? As I said before, I got my family over, so you know, it's a busy house. But yeah, I'm feeling this. Tay did the damn thing. She slayed the shit out of this. Ooh. We bad. We bad. Bad and Shiki, Slay by Tay.
Don't forget, guys, like, share,
and subscribe to the channel.